We've got a range of CMMs, so we'll have some CMMs with automation. We're going to have a new range of portable arms to show. We're also going to have some new things to show too, because we've got a massive range of CMMs, and you can appreciate you can't take everything to the show. So we've actually invested in some virtual reality. So we've got some software, we've got a digital factory that's got a range of our CMMs in there. And also, for the first time, we'll also be showing Metrology Gate, which is a true Industry 4 software package.
Virtual reality, what does this mean? What can people expect to see?
Yeah, so it's a good question. I mean, basically, if you can visualize a lot of these headsets that you see today, there's a lot of gaming systems that have got it. So effectively, you'll be able to put a headset on, and you'll be walking inside a generic factory that's got a lot of our CMMs in there, measuring various parts. But the nice thing is you'll be able to see the full range. You'll see from the entry-level Altera C all the way through to some very large gantry CMMs that could be measuring big aircraft structures.
This virtual world that you're going to be exhibiting, is this going to be an actual tool for yourselves for planning or future planning and installations?
Well, that's right. I mean, we see a lot of benefits for it. I mean, ultimately, we have a lot of conceptual ideas for customers, and sometimes that can take a lot of engineering man hours, but within this software package you can do it quite quickly and visualize it very easily, so the customers can make decisions without us having to invest thousands of hours in engineering time. So it's a very efficient tool from that perspective too.
I can't wait to see that for sure. Now, you also mentioned automation. Now, automation has been on the tip of everybody's tongue for some time now. How important is it to automate inspection as well as the machine tool?
Well, I think from my perspective is that we've always seen CMMs as being this unnecessary evil at the end of the process. So it's always difficult to try and justify the cost of a CMM. And then if you have to add the cost of an operator there too, then it obviously is a big expense. So for us, what we're trying to do is take a different approach. We're seeing a lot of machine tools today. They're actually using machine tending. So they've taken the operator out of the equation there. And we're doing exactly the same for the CMM. So ultimately, you can have a part that comes down a conveyor system off the CNC machine tool, and effectively we can pick the part up, put it onto our CMM, run it through a program. If the part is correct, then it will go to the next stage in the process. If the part needs rework, then again that can be placed into another parts bin, and then that can go for rework.